Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert image to PDF file. It is very easy. So firstly you just need to open the photo which you want to convert. So in my case I'm going to convert this photo. So as you can see, this is the photo which we will going to convert. I just have to leave it as it is. Then firstly we need to open our Google Chrome or whatever browser you are using. You can just use that as well. So in my case I'm going with Google Chrome. So here we need to type Google Docs like this, and once you type that you will able to see this kind of websites where we are going to click on Google Docs. Here you need to make sure docs.google.com should written. So here we are going to click, and once you click on the website, this kind of window will pop up in front of you. You just have to close this window and leave it this website as it is. Now we are going back to our photo. So this is the photo which we want to convert. Now minimize the window, and then we are going to drag this photo to this website. So how we can do that? Just hold the left click and just drag the photo to the website like this. And if you want to resize the photo, you can do that as well. If you want to make the photo smaller or bigger, whatever you want to do, you can just do here. And once you're done with that, you can just easily convert this photo to PDF. So how you can do that? Just go to the file tab, as you can see here, click on that, and here you will find the option download. Here you can see many options are there, many format are there, and whatever format you want to convert the photo in, you can just go with that. So in my case I'm going to convert this photo to PDF. So I will just click on the PDF document. So as you can see, our PDF file is now downloaded. If you want to click it here, you can just click it here, or if you want to go to the folder, you can go there as well. So this is the download folder where I have downloaded our PDF file. So I can just open it like this, and as you can see, we have now successfully converted our image to a PDF file. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.